What is the quantity demand? Here's the question. You can see that this question is under elasticity. It's just what is the quantity what? Demand. We have options. What are the options? We have option A to be what? 30. Option B, 32. Option C, 24. Option D, 20 what? 26. A very simple question. As a JAMB student, if you come across something like this, you don't need to waste your time in the all. Just input the 4 to the 4, we have 16. 40 minus 16 will give you what? Final answer. That's very simple. And that will be what? 24. There are some questions in JAMB you will not use up to 10 seconds. Because there are some questions that will take you more than 40 seconds, which is the required minute for JAMB question. But there are some questions that will give you just a few seconds to solve them. Like now, just have what? Quantity demand is what? 40 minus what? 4. What is the P, everybody? You have it to be what? 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16. Quantity demand is what? 40 minus what? 16. Our quantity demand is what? Is what? 24. Very simple. Another question. Okay, look at question like you check 1978. The question says the numerical measure of elasticity is option A, percentage change in quantity over percentage change in what? Price. Option B, change in Q over change in P. Percentage change in P over percentage change in Q. Option D, change in P over change in Q. Option D, change in P plus change in Q over change in P. That is when JAMB will still give us 5 options. Now, JAMB is giving only 4 options. You as a student, to pass economics is the easiest thing of all. What you need to understand is this. Out of your 4 options, bring out 2 options that can never be the answer. Yes, as a student, when you want to solve economics examination in examination hall, look for 2 options out of the 4 options given to you that can never be the answer. That's the first thing that will come into your mind. What are you going to do? The option there is any one of the options that have Q on top and P down is part of the answer. I'm not saying it's the answer. It's part of the answer. Automatically, the formula is quantity over price. So look at everything. The option is here. What option? Option A is the correct option. JAMB will never ask you something like this again. This is too cheap for students like this now. We are in the computer age. N79, if you look at the people that did JAMB that time, they are mad, they are too old. 1986, question 17. 1986, question what? 17. We have price. We have quantity. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and what? 10. We have 340, 300, 260, 220, 140, and 100. That's the table we have there. Now the question says, if the price of the commodity X falls from 40 naira to 30 naira, students, what comes to your mind when you read a question like this? The first thing you have into your mind is that understand the question first before you solve them. The question falls from what? 40 naira to what? 30 naira. It means that this is the what? Old. And this is the what? New. Automatically, I'm continuing. Okay. What is the price elasticity of what? Demand. God bless you. Now, automatically, this is the what? Old quantity and what? New what? Quantity. What is the question telling us? It says what? New. When I was giving initially, when I said Q2 minus what? Q1 over what? Q1. This one here, Q2 is the new. The Q1 here is the what? Is the old. over what? Old times 100 over what? 1. Now, to solve this question now, what is our old, everybody? 40. Our new is what? 30. So we have what? 30 minus what? 40 over what? 40 times what? 100 over what? 1 over 260 minus what? 240 over what? 240 times what? 100 over what? 1. Simple mathematics. Let's solve it together. When you have this like this, we have here to be minus 10 over what? 40 times 100 over 1 over what? 20 over what? 240 times 100 over what? Over 1. From here now, what do we say? Mathematics, we have 1, 2 goes how many? 2 goes how many times? 5. 2 goes there 1, 2 goes how many times? We have minus 5. So minus 5 and 5 what? That will be minus what? 25% over. We have there, you can cancel this. 2 goes there 1, 2 goes how many times? 12. 2 goes in 12, 6. In 50, we have what? 50. 2 can still go. We have 3, 25. If you look at 25 divided by what? 3. We should have what? 18 point what? 18 what? Percent. If you divide it, now you have the change for the up and change for the down. Automatically, what do we do? What we are asked to calculate is what? Price elasticity of what? Demand. The elasticity of demand will give us what? Minus, we have 25 over what? Over 18 point what? 18. Look at the calculation. Now, from the question, this is our old price, our new price, old quantity and our new quantity. Don't forget the formula I gave you the other time. And I said, Q2 minus what? Q1 over what? Q times what? 100 over 1 divided by what? P2 minus what? P1 over P times what? 100 over what? Over 1. When we have a question like this, our Q2 is the what? Is the new quantity. Our Q1 is the old quantity. Our P2 is the new price. Our P1 is the what? Old new price and the old price. Now, our Q2 now, what's our new price? 200 and what? 60 minus what? 220 divided by what? 220 times 100 over what? Over 1 divided by what? 30 minus what? 40 over 40 times what? 100 over what? Over 1. From here we have what? 40 over 220 times 100 over 1 divide everything by what? Minus 10 over 40 times 100 over 1. Cancel this. 2 goes there. 2 goes there how many times? 11. We have here to be what? 200 over what? 11. Divide everything by what? We have 1 over 4. We have here to be what? 100 minus 100 over what? Over 4. Now automatically we have here to be what? 200 divided by 11. We have here to be 18.18 divided by what? 100 divided by 4. That will give you what? Minus what? 25. To determine the elasticity of demand now, we say what? 18.18 divided by what? 25 minus 25. We have what? Minus 0.727 what? 2. And can be easily what? Minus what? 0 minus 0.73. That's the final what? Answer. Another what? Question. 2006. Question 39. JAMB asks, the law of demand can be expressed as option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Look at the way JAMB is asking question about law of demand. Now I said JAMB never asks you what is the law of demand. They will ask you, they will apply that question, that thing in what? As a question. The law of demand can be expressed as what? Automatically, what is the law of demand? The higher the price, the lower the quantity what? Demand. Ceteris paribus, the lower the price, the higher the quantity what? Demand. What is that thing that is controlling force? Is the demand. Automatically, this and this are what? Are wrong. I said it the other time. Understand one thing first in examination. Bring out two options that can never be the answer. We are out of this. What is controlling is what? Is demand. Now, demand now, function of 1 over P. What? 1 over price. No. The answer is what? Demand is a function of what? Price. Very simple. Can you see how JAMB is asking question with the use of what? Explanation. They will not ask you the question in a list. Explain. No. They will explain by themselves. They want you to know if what they are explaining to you is what you understand. Another question. Still on theory of demand. You check your past question, 2018, question 31. We have the price, we have quantity demanded. We have 5, 8, 20, and what? 16. The question says, from the table above, calculate the elasticity of what? Of demand. Don't forget the formula I gave you earlier. I said what? Q2 minus what? Q1 over Q times what? 100 over what? 1 divided by what? P2 minus what? P1 over what? P1 times what? 100 over 1. This is the formula I gave you, right? Now, from this formula I gave you now, we're going to have what? Our Q2 is what? Our new Q1 is what? Is the old. From here now, this is the what? Is the old. And this is the what? This is the new. Following me? Now we have what? 8 over what? 5. Sorry, 8 minus 5 divided by what? 5 times what? 100 over 1 divided by what? 16 minus what? 20 divided by what? 20 times 100 over 1. Now, from here now, when we have that, then we say 8 minus 5, we have what? 3. Divided by what? 5 times 100 over 1. We have also minus 4 over 20 times 100 over 1. What do we say here? Here we what? Minus 400 divided by what? 20. Here we have what? 300 divided by what? 5. Let's know the value there. We have 400 divided by 5. That's 80. And 300 divided by 5. That will be what? 60. So, sorry. 400 divided by 20. 400 divided by 20. That will give us minus 20. So, from here now, we have the quantity demand, which is quantity demand over price. Then we have minus 20 over what? 60. So we say 20 divided by 60. Then we have 0.3333.